This is Hector, the whippet, and Hector playing. I'm sure I've told you all about Hector before. I don't think I've had any pictures of him. Not my Hector, the other Hector. I need them to come a bit closer really. There's Bonnie. And there's Zach. Oh, here they are. It's hard to keep a whippet.
It's hard to get a film.
Yeah, it is, because they just, they, look at him. Look at you, all puffed out, Hector. You really are. But you're gorgeous and you've really grown.
Zach.
This is Zach. He wants to play. There he is.
Up though onto the windowsill, which is quite tall, and managed to get the cat food, big sack of cat food down, and he's eaten most of it.
Oh boy!
Zach, no.
What a growing dog. I suppose needs as much food as I can have.
Zach, no. He's 7 months.
There's Bonnie on her lead, so she behaves herself. There's Hector. There's Zach. And I don't know where Hector is, my Hector.
He's just there, look, on the upper.
Oh yeah, my Hector is down there.
For the first time ever, Hector chased a cyclist today. No, they're alright. He chases though. He chases like, well, he doesn't now.
Thank you.
There you go.
Go on then. Off you go. Go, go, go. Yes. Yes. Off you go.
Right, that's our dogs at play.